Yo, what's up mga Kaps? It's another SB19 videos at for today's episode, pag-uusapan nga natin, no, itong medyo kinalungkot na natin na news about Coachella. Coachella ba? Tama ba ako ng pagkakabanggit? Tama ba? Okay, so kung yun tamang banggit doon, basta ang alam ko lang, nalungkot ako dahil nga, syempre hindi nakasama ang SB19 doon sa lineup ng nung ano na yon for 2026 at I'm sure hindi lang din naman ako yung nalungkot doon sa part na yon, but somehow yun nga, mas alam kong mas marami pang parating na mga events for SB19. So alam ko marami akong mga utang sa inyo na video for Pablo, no? Ang daming mga request sa atin, like yung Pablo cover song, Pablo demo song, interaction with Looney, yung Break It Down, behind the scene ng una premiere night at Robinson's Galleria Q&A, Pablo's una tour fan cam, interview of Rad Kids, and syempre yung mga songs ni Pablo. Pero yun, may mga natitira pa naman po tayong 2 weeks bago matapos itong month na to na feature natin si Pablo. And hopefully by next month, no, it's since month naman ni Josh, tama, di ba? Si Josh naman po yung may birthday. Tama ba? So yun, so definitely si Josh naman yung may feature natin next month and any other SB19 related videos. And yun, syempre may mga artist din tayo na i-feature next month. Pero yun, balik tayo dito, no? Check tayo ng mga updates from Hong Kong, day 1 and day 2. And yun na nga, balita ko, no, merong ikinatampo si Ken sa 18. So malalaman natin yan once na nakapag-update po ako dito sa ating mga videos from Miss O. Yun, medyo sobrang busy lang din po sa part ko kasi may ginagawa po ako and I will post it, no, kung bakit hindi tayo nakapag-post ng ilang araw. So yun, eto po yung dahilan nun. Ayan, ipa-flash ko na. No? Ayan po yung dahilan kung bakit medyo hindi tayo nakakapag-video. So magkakaroon po tayo ng gig, no, for this coming September 20. So yun, sa mga malapit po dito sa Bulacan, andyan po yung address and andyan po yung ibang details. So yun mga Kaps, hindi ko na to patatagalin, no, itong update natin, Hong Kong update natin for this video. And yun nga, yung dahilan, no, isa sa mga dahilan, the truth about Coachella, no, panoorin natin yan. So yun mga Kaps, simulan na natin.
Hong Kong locals got curious about SB19 as fans welcomed them at the airport.
Igulantang na naman yung mga taga Hong Kong.
Yes, as 18 happily waited and welcomed SB19 at the Hong Kong airport, the locals got curious as well that they have taken out their phones to take pictures and videos of SB19.
Gulat sila, no? Grabe.
Malay natin, this will lead the locals to search about them and their music. And also, hoping na may basking din sa Hong Kong para mas ma-discover sila at mas makilala ng mga locals.
Okay, next video tayo. Ken, Stel, and Justin Mom. Wow!
Ken, Stel, and Justin's moms present sa SB19 Hong Kong simula at wakas concert. Una nating nasilayan ang ina ni Ken na present sa SB19's Hong Kong simula at wakas concert.
Nakahanap na siya ng mga marites dito. Mga bagong kamarites. Nakakatuwa, no? Nakakatuwa kasi nakakapanood na siya ng concert ni Ken.
At heto na, nang magkasama na sila ng ina ni Stel at Justin. Ang saya-saya pa ng kwentuhan nila.
Nakakatuwa, no? Nakakatuwa. May YouTube channel ba yung mga nanay ng ng Malima? Parang ang sarap sa feeling, no, na-include na si yung mami ni Ken sa mga ganito. Alright, next video tayo mga kaps. Okay. SB19, I Want You Giling Challenge.
SB19, I Want You Giling Challenge in Hong Kong, simula't wakas, Day 2 concert.
Anong challenge kaya to?
Aside from giving a world-class performance, these boys really know how to have fun on stage.
Si Josh, pasig muna si Josh.
I'm very conservative. Yeah.
Pablo. Siyempre, birthday boy yan eh. What?
Alright. How about Stan? How about Stan? Stan? Look at the muscles. Look at those muscles. In what level? What level?
Sayang di kita yung clips.
Maximum level? Alright. Okay, you requested that. Go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby,
Nahiya pa siya dyan, ha? Si Ken, si Ken.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Let's take it easy.
Take it easy.
It's your turn. Can we see your freestyle? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Baby, guys, where's the sexiness?
Si Ken, ha?
One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, forget about it. We can move on. We still have day 1 tomorrow. Okay, but I think let's move on to the. How about style? Style?
Ito ibang caption ng camera.
Look at the muscles. Look at those muscles. Style.
Wait.
What?
In what level?
What level? What level? What level?
Yun pala. May level ka pa talaga, ha?
Maximum level?
Alright.
Okay, you requested that.
Go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, you're baby. Yo. Baby, you're the one. That's how you do it, bro. That's how you do it. Take it easy. Take it easy. Just take it easy.
I want to see 18 do it.
Pablo.
Josh.
Ito moves pa rin si Pablo, eh.
Josh was like, I've never seen you guys doing that, you know? I've never seen you guys do that. It's reserved for special occasions, especially
Hindi na siya nakatanggi kay Pablo.
so awkward. It's not awkward, bro. You look cool.
I won't do that. You know,
I want to see it.
Diyan.
because you know what? Yesterday we had
No, really.
Okay, next video. Hong Kong audience goes wild with SB19.
Hong Kong audience
concert.
goes wild
Day
with
2 of
SB19
So
Scream Zone.
concert.
Day 2 of Simula't Wakas concert.
Eh, nakakatawa, no? Let's
As
Scream
always,
Zone.
SB19 Scream Zone made the audience wild, this time in Hong Kong.
Sino yung dancers nila dito? Back up. Yeah! Parang nakakamiss mag-Philippine Arena. Alam nyo, the one thing na feeling ko mas masaya pag meron ulit Philippine Arena. Ang daming yung mga Pinoy reactors, di ba? Hopefully, no, magkita-kita kami doon sa Philippine Arena, di ba? In case na magkakaroon ulit ng homecoming ng SB19, so hopefully doon kami mag-meet up. Ako ba na naman si Josh? Ako ba na naman si Josh? Kulit na sayo. Parang magigiba eh, no? Dami tao. Alright, next video tayo.
SB19's reaction to these surprises by Hong Kong 18 in Simula at Wakas Day 2 concert.
Lakas pala ng ulan, hindi ko napansin. But anyway, no, we will proceed.
This is just so sweet as Hong Kong 18 waves a mini lantern with Chinese characters meaning blessing as SB19 sang mapa.
Ano yan project? Fan project?
And here's more, a banner with 6 years of love, 6 years of trust. SB19 is finally our zone.
Finally in our zone. 6 years and more to come. Thank you so much, 18. We love you. This is our home. This is our zone. This has been SB19.
Ito yung nakita ko last time na parang pagka binabanggit nila yung words na yon, eh nakakalungkot kasi 'di ba, even though na alam naman natin na magkakaroon pa ulit ng mga concerts, eh 'di ba, yun ang pinakamalungkot sa part ng isang concert, eh yung pagtatapos, 'di ba? However, sabi nga eh meron laging simula, meron laging wakas, 'di ba? After ng wakas, meron ulit simula. Okay?
Once again, give it up for SB19.
Pangarap ko yan. Yung parang maging narrator ba tawag doon? Or maging host or voice over. Right, next naman tayo. Si Pablo, Tito Moves pala siya dito.
Hong Kong concert goers sing happy birthday to Pablo in Simula at Wakas Day 2 concert.
Okay, alright, happy birthday! You should sing it louder, come on.
May sapi na naman si Pao eh.
Wow, happy birthday Kuya Pao. Wanna say anything? Wow, happy birthday. Thank you all so much, AT.
Magkaedad na
It's so
sila ni
nice to be
Josh.
working while celebrating the birthday. Thank you so much. Nababasa ko yung mga messages niyo, yung mga gifts na binibigyan niyo. I'm just so blessed to be able to be on this stage with these guys, together with our team, everyone who have been supporting us. Ang saya lang mag-celebrate habang may concert, habang kasama kayo at first time dito sa Hong Kong. Sana sa next birthday ko kasama ko ulit kayo. Merong handaan, papabuffet si Kuya Josh.
Kuya silang dalawa eh, no? Alright, Pablo Lance in Hong Kong Billboard. Ay, grabe.
Pablo in Hong Kong Billboard, a birthday gift from 18.
Grabe, 18, no? Hindi ko alam kung saan yung pinagkukuha yung kayamanan na yan.
Today, September 14, is our Pinuno's birthday, and so here's a billboard in Hong Kong made possible by our...
Anyway guys, so meron tayong tribute video for Sir Pablo, no? Relative dun sa kanyang birthday. Ayan.
Hello 18,
Check nyo na lang po
led
dyan sa
by
ano natin.
Pao Sanggala, the Pablo Houses, Great Wolf of Hong Kong, and 18 Hong Kong team.
Grabe. Grabe yung pagmamahal ng 18 and the Hot Dogs for Pinunong Pablo, which is very deserved naman talaga ni Sir Pao. No? A true leader, bold in passion. Nice, tama. Fearless in purpose. Wow. Unwavering in strength. To his brothers, he is more than a leader. Feeling ko grabe din kasi magmahal talaga si Pablo. To 18, he is an inspiration. Yes, Fras! Talagang inspiration si Pablo. To the world, he is a visionary. Happy birthday, Pablo. Leading with strength. Grabe. Inspiring vision. Happy birthday, Sir Pablo.
Amidst a sold-out two-day concert, SB19 lands in 3 Hong Kong online news sites. Yes, SB19 has been featured in 3 Hong Kong online news sites amidst their sold-out two-day concert. Although the 3 articles mainly wrote about SB19's hope of collaborating with Hong Kong local group Mirror, here are the following notable excerpts. From the first article, SB19 became the first Southeast Asian group to chart on Billboard's World Digital Song Sales Chart, earning them the title of King of P-Pop, Filipino Pop Music. SB19 expressed their honor at this achievement, stating, "P-Pop encompasses so much of Filipino culture and storytelling, and we hope more people will discover it." From the second article, striving to improve the level of P-Pop, the Li Ka-shing Foundation distributed tickets to SB19's concert for Filipino domestic workers. Ken, a member of the group, expressed his gratitude and honor for the opportunity, saying, "This is our first concert in Hong Kong. Personally, my father is also an overseas Filipino worker. For those who work hard overseas for their families and send money home, I think hosting a concert for them is one way we can bring the Philippines to them. They surely miss their families, their language and culture, and even entertainment. Sharing a concert with them is a joy for us." From the third article, in an interview, SB19 members said that the group has released a new song, Gento, earlier, which unexpectedly received public likes and shares from Jiang Tao, which caught the team's attention. Later, they learned through company that Jiang Tao is a top idol in Hong Kong and very talented, and his group Mirror is a popular local boy group, so they came up with the idea of future cooperation. Now to read these articles, the links are pinned in the comment section.
Thank you, Miss O. SB19, nilaro muli ang I Want You.
SB19, nilaro muli ang I Want You, sinayawan si birthday boy Pablo. Eto na naman ang mahalima sa kanilang katuwaan at kakulitan. Kung kahapon may giling challenge sa I Want You, ngayon naman ay sinayawan ang birthday boy na si Pablo.
I remember, no, yung naging reaction natin dun sa birthday vlog ni Pablo na naging si Stel yung regalo, di ba? Sinayawan din siya ni Stel doon, di ba?
Okay, dito sa kita. Do you really want? Gusto mo talaga yun? Gano'n? So, wala pa ka dyan? 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, you.
Si Josh.
Baby, you.
Si Ja, si Ja. Si Josh. Si Ja. Balit ni Ja.
Did you like a birthday gift? Or...
Yun yung birthday gift.
Usually may birthday siya yung nakupo, tapos sinasayaw. Do you really want? Gusto mo talaga yun? Gano'n? Sayaw lang agad ba? Sayaw lang agad ba? Wala ba ano dyan? 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby,
Gusto mo yan, ha? Si Ja. Okay, next tayo.
The difference between SB19's intro in Day 1 and Day 2 in their Hong Kong Simula't Wakas concert.
Ano yung difference natin dito?
So here's SB19's intro in their Day 1 and Day 2 Hong Kong concert. Here's their first day, which was considered a Day 2. Pablo is already in the stage along with the SB19 members. And their second day, which is Day 1.
Okay.
Well, where's my mom? Now I know kung saan ako nagmana.
Ken's pagtatampo sa 18 plus gives a shout out to his mom.
Bait talaga si Ken, no?
Iiyak na eh, umiiyak eh. Pag-iiyakan niyo si Ken. Kasi they were saying earlier you were saying why do these people sing when we're not on stage?
Yeah. Come on, man.
But when we're on stage,
I'm so disappointed, you know? Sing it. If I say sing it, then you sing it. Right.
we told them that you're gonna cry. Iiyak ka na, bro. Iiyak ka na, sabi namin.
Iiyak ako, lolo pa ako sa harap ninyo lahat. I will kneel down.
You will cry.
Very humble talaga si Ken.
I will call your mom. Whenever you cry, I will call your mom so she can take care of you. My mom. Oh, I'm honored she's here. She's here? That's good. Hello, Tita. Because yesterday she was like, you know, like, boom, she's gone after the concert. Everyone was looking for her. I was like, well, where's the mom? Now I know kung saan ako nagmana. That's right. That's my mom right there.
And Janelle, speaking of mom, it's a bit serious right now.
My mom is an OFW, so I'm so proud of her. She raised me bravely. She's the most like bravest person I've ever known. Like, thanks, Mom.
Bait talaga ni Ken.
Pablo and Stel,
Ano
pinakalmang
to?
fans matapos ang tampuhan issue.
Anong issue? Pablo and Stel, pinakalma ang fans matapos ang tampuhan. Grabe. Sobrang daming update. Di na ako na ano. Parang di naman
Di
totoo
may
yan.
kakaila na there's something in the air, especially between Pablo and Stel. May distansya, something that we're not used to, and this has made fans talk, assume, at ang iba nagkakasagutan at nag-aaway na. But then, naglapag ang SB19 ng pub-style video. Now, this video has not answered any of our questions, pero it looks like this is their way na pakalmahin tayo. Tiyak kasi na nababasa din nila ang mga assumptions and speculations, pati ang bangayan ng mga fans. It's okay to express your feelings and opinions, but not to the point na gagawa ng issue ang dalawa. Tandaan na they've been together for more than 6 years as a group and brothers, kaya panigurado nga makailang ulit na silang nagkaroon ng awayan at tampuhan, pero nagkakabati din. Kaya imbis na mag-speculate and overthink sa mga maaring nangyari, let's give them time, and as always, love and support. Nakakalungkot man pero wag po kayong mabahala. This will never be a reason na mabuwag ang SB19. Their dreams are too big and their respect for each other are too deep. These two shall pass.
Okay, so yung may mga gantong distance, parang I don't think na tampuhan ng dalawa na yun, ni Stel and ni Pablo, no, ng Pabstel. Pero might be the reason pero sobrang grabe naman. Hindi naman ganun no? Siguro pag may mga ganito, wag lang natin palakihin yung issue. Alam natin, kilala natin ang Pabstel, kilala natin ang Mahalima. They are been together hindi lang for only 6-7 years. I guess magsasampung taon na sila, ano na sila. So siguro yung mga ganito nabibigyan lang ng kulay once merong talagang pumansin, tapos yun kumalat na, pero yun wag sanang bigyan ng ibang kahulugan. So yun, next video tayo no mga kaps.
Justin, pinahid ang panyo sa buong SB19 at itinapon sa Hong Kong audience.
Wow, no, napakaswerte no makakakuha niyan. Ba't mo ginawang santo? Bitbit niya pa rin pa niya. Sila yung pinahid sa kanya. Kanino niya next ipapakin? Si Josh. Si Pablo. Si Stel. Loko-loko talaga si Ja. Boom! Wala pang nagtulakan dyan. Grabe belting ng boses si Stel. Grabe, ang bango-bango nun, Chak. 5 pabango ba nun?
SB19 nagbanding sa Disneyland after their 2-day Hong Kong concert. After their 2-day sold-out concert in Hong Kong, banding sa Disneyland after their 2-day Hong Kong concert. After their 2-day sold-out concert in Hong Kong,
ito yung nakita
our
ko sa
boys are
sa Blue Up. Si Stel yung nasa likod, no? Parang pareha sila na ng
spotted in
headband ni
Disneyland.
Pablo. Tapos, parang yun din yung bit-bit ni ni Josh.
After their 2-day sold-out concert in Hong Kong, our
diba?
boys
Yun
are
din yung
spotted
bit-bit
in
ni Josh.
Disneyland.
What's up, guys? Hey!
Ano yung fan kaya yun? Fan? Yung nagbi-video, no? Swerte naman.
Ang saya makita na after their concert ay hindi sila umuwi agad. Rather, they go out and have fun. Lalo na dito sa Hong Kong na 2-day concert. Their next stop
pampawala lang
will
ng
be in
stress.
Japan.
Japan na yung next.
SB19 reveals New Zealand concert. Coachella 2026, no SB19 yet.
Okay, so andito na tayo sa topic natin about Coachella ba? Coachella. Bobulol ako sa
SB19 officially
Coachella.
revealed another stop in their Simula at Wakas World Tour, and this will be in Auckland,
Grabe,
New
New
Zealand, this December 12. They will be performing in the Trust's arena with 4,900 capacity.
Wow, dami.
On the other hand, Coachella 2026 lineup has been
Coachella.
revealed and no SB19 yet.
Mm.
Now, feeling sad and disappointed is valid as we are also dreaming, praying, and hoping this for them. So here's what we should do. Love and support them even more. From projects, events, to merch, and of course, to streaming their music on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Music. Let's make sure that in 2025, they are richer than ever. Yes, tamang narinig ninyo, payamanin pa sila. Let's help them be financially capable enough to hire talent agencies that will represent and negotiate for them in the next Coachella. They are already talent and performance-wise ready, pero ang realidad, kailangan nila ng talent agency, ng connections, and of course, money to get there. Now, di man sila kasali sa Coachella 2026, pero sigurado namang once they are on that stage, they will set it on fire. Di man sila ang nauna, pero siguradong magpapakitang gila sila. Just like in Philippine Arena, where they made a huge and iconic impact na pinag-usapan ng lahat from fans to casuals. Lahat nagulat, lahat napahanga. Once again, being sad is valid, but remember, they have achieved a lot this year and they are so blessed at siguradong marami ang darating pa. The future is so bright for SB19.
Okay.
The truth about Coachella, malaki ang gastos kaysa sa bayad.
Ito yung sinasabi ko. No, ito yung nasa isip ko kanina na kung bakit hindi posible ang SB19 sa Coachella, no? Coachella ba 'yun? So 'yun, no. Saka kung isipin niyo guys, no. Ang dami pang possible lineup at ang dami pang plans ng SB19 for 2026. I am pretty sure with that. Bakit? Wala pang homecoming, 'di ba? So may isa akong nakita na parang 1Z Entertainment na din yung nag-produce nung isa nilang show. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, yun yung sa Hong Kong. Which is, for sure, ang laki din ng ginastos nila doon. No? Ang dami kong nakikitang mga negatives at mga nalungkot na mga 18. Pero sabi ko nga, let's be focused kung ano dapat yung nagiging support natin for the 5 doon sa Mahalima. So, balik tayo doon. No? Stream, no? Purchase ng mga kung ano-ano pa for SB19, di ba? Yun dun tayo dapat nagpo-focus. Huwag kayong malungkot, no? Kung hindi man makakasama yung SB19 for this certain na ano. Okay, tuloy natin. Alamin natin, no?
So, here's an article, Pay to Play Coachella, dated September 4, 2025, which reveals
Okay.
how the Coachella economy work, especially for a non-headlining artist. And with this, for sure you will understand why SB19 is not yet on the list. According to this article, a non-headlining slot will be paid $15,000. Sounds good?
Oh.
Well, not really. And that's because there is a marketing requirement of minimum $50,000 spent promoting their Coachella appearance, social media campaigns, PR firms, sponsored content, all coming out of the artist's pocket. And for SB19 that has no network, they will surely spend a huge amount of money for the marketing. Now here's the production costs. Coachella provides a stage and basic sound. Want anything special? Visuals, guest performers, enhanced production? That's on you. Budget, another $30,000 minimum. Now, knowing SB19 that would not settle for less, and of course, Coachella being a big international musical event, again, for sure they will spend a huge amount to give the Coachella audience a grand performance. The article also mentioned opportunity cost, but let's focus on the costs that the artists have to pay. Now, let's not forget that they have to hire a talent agency that will represent and negotiate for them. But of course, when we say Coachella, it means big exposure and huge achievement in which many artists have dreamed of, including our very own SB19. However, the truth is they are not financially capable yet, especially with the huge expenses they have incurred with their grand comeback, the Simula at Wakas. To understand this more, you can read the full article. The link is pinned in the comment section.
Okay. So, ito lang yung masasabi ko about this Coachella, ha. Siyempre, business pa rin yan eh. Diba? Siyempre, ang hirap din na magpe-perform ka to give an exposure. Although gusto natin na magkaroon pa ng exposure ang SB19, but we already know na nagto-dominate na yung SB19 over the world. So, nakikita na natin sila kahit papaano sa iba't ibang bansa. Sa Asia, no? Sa Amerika. Sa tingin ko hindi loss kung hindi man makapag-perform ang SB19 doon sa event na yon. Marami pang taon, marami bang ibang pagkakataon. So, nasa ano pa tayo ng SB19 eh, nasa peak pa tayo ng SB19. So, pakiramdam ko, kung makakapag-performance sila doon, bonus na lang yon. Pero syempre, isipin din naman natin yung gagastusin ng 1Z Entertainment once na pumasok sila. Isang sugal kasi yun eh. Diba? So, yung parang pinaghirapan nila for this year, no? Para mapupunta lang for that certain event. So, sayang, no? Mas marami pang pwedeng maging market ang 1Z Entertainment kaysa ibuhos dun sa nag-iisang Coachella, no? Yun yung nasa isip ko. But yun na nga, if the time comes na makakapag-perform ang SB19 doon, ibig sabihin kaya na nila. So, ang magiging participation natin bilang fans, bilang 18 ay yun nga, tulungan sila, no? So pag may mga vlogs na bumagsak, syempre stream tayo. Pag may mga bagong interviews, yan, may mga bago sa SB19 at may mga luma, di ba? I-stream tayo kasi malaking tulong yun sa SB19 to boost the revenue ng team. Para syempre, in case, no, kung talaga makakapasok sila sa Coachella, hindi man sa 2027, the other years, no, hindi yun magiging imposible. Kasi meron ng matatag na fund ang 1Z Entertainment, no, yung SB19. So, wag kayo malungkot, Caps. Walang dapat ikalungkot kung hindi man makakasama yung SB19 dyan. Kasi for sure, merong dahilan, no, ang lahat ng mga bagay-bagay kung bakit hindi makakasama ang SB19. So, possible hindi pa sa ngayon, but eventually, wag natin siyang iset aside, no? Ipag-pray lang natin siya, and for sure, no, makakapasok sila dyan. So, yun mga kaps, yun, ito yung update natin, no, for this video. So, yun, mga kaps, I am very sorry, no, kung nakapapendit tayo sa mga fast view days natin, but eventually, babalik po tayo for Pablo's content. So, yun, maraming salamat po sa inyong mga kaps. Kung nagustuhan nyo po yung itong episode nito with the HK update, Hong Kong update day 1 and day 2. At yun nga, yung the truth behind the Coachella, no? So, alam kong marami makakaintindi, maraming naiintindihan kung bakit hindi pa magpe-perform ang SB19 doon. So, kapit lang, no? Mag-pray lang dahil for sure, no? For sure, one of these days, hindi man ngayong taon, pwedeng next year, pwedeng 2027, no, makapag-perform ang SB19 dyan. So, pray lang natin yan mga kaps. So, yun mga kaps, sa mga bagong padpad po dito sa ating channel, ako po ulit si Miggy Boy. Nagpapasalamat dahil palagi po kayo nandyan, nagsusuporta po dito sa channel ko, no. May mga videos pa po tayo ng SB19, you can search my channel, no, para makita po yung iba pang mga videos natin, video content natin for SB19. So yun, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kaps. Magkita-kits tayo sa mga susunod kong videos. Ingat po kayo palagi and God bless.